Hello and welcome to A Day with Jay. This is unbelievable. Thank you. Why the fuck are you riding three abreast? What a corner! Oh my god! Come on then! There we go. Let's go, boys. Not get overexcited, but whoa, we're all oh shit, that's a big bump. Oh, open road. This is the dream. Alright, look where you want to go, lead in. Counter steer. I'm learning how to counter steer. Not very well still at the minute. Oh, that's better. Come on, Jay. It's hilarious how, like, you think you're near the top of the revs on this bike, but you never are. Alright, good corner this. Got our next victims up ahead. These are the roads I've been missing since I got this bike. That's better. Oh, let's go. Got another victim coming up. What a view. feel like I'm on the Isle of Man TT on this road. Looks like a fun corner. Tip it in. If any UK Peak District motorcycle riders are watching this, can you let me know down in the comments what is your favourite sort of road in and around the Peak District? Because I want to get like a list together of all the best ones in terms of road surface, speed cameras, speed limits, traffic, that kind of thing. Having a good look then. The beauty of having a bike is doing this. Why did I just get fucking catfished by some lights? Did he turn the ignition off? What a wally. What is this traffic? Absolutely disgusting. Naughty. Got all my helmet vents shut to get better audio for YouTube, so drop a like for my efforts. It must be 30 degrees right now. I haven't got time to be fucking about anymore. Move over. Ooh. Yeah, easy on the throttle there, Jake. That was nice. The counter steering thing is absolutely game changing. Building a nice gap. I don't want no one in front of me. Oh, that's the best corner yet. God, this road is sick. So much better without traffic in front of you. I swear to God, if I see a horse rider down here, I'm gonna bloody scream, bro. Who brings a horse or this? Quest for knee down. Oh my God! I'm going to have to session this road. These are the roads Super Sport are designed for. It's in its absolute element on that. Fucking nut job. I think me and the bike are bonding. We're like this, coming together. We were sort of in an arranged marriage in a way, because it's the only bike I could actually insure. And guess what we're doing? We're going right round that roundabout and we're sessioning that road. Look at this. Look at this knobhead. goes. Let's all watch him and put him on YouTube. He's right up this guy's arse. Just because you drive a Porsche doesn't mean you can do whatever the flipping hell you want. There he goes, there he goes. Gonna be an accident. Oh, here he goes again. Oh, it's dodgy. You can't see what's coming around there either. The Porsche is still stuck behind the lorry. King hell. Jesus, go. How could you drive that poorly? Jesus. Blocking the whole road. I know. I agree with you about you see him then, he was like, fucking beep your horn, love. Jesus Christ. Yeah, sadly the traffic is just a bit too bad now. This road, yeah, I'll definitely be back. Some intense filter in this, Jesus. Wow, the traffic around here is seriously bad. I can't even filter here either because it's a solid white line. You prick. Look at you being so solid. People could actually position themselves on the road with some consideration. I could actually get through here. I think maybe the inside is the way to go. Everyone's so keen on blocking me on the right. Yeah, I'll have a bit of that sun. I'll have a bit of that sunshine. Oh, that looks horrible, that. It's fucking minging. It's full of gravel, I don't know if you see on camera. You can't be waiting in this, can you? If you're on a bike. Haven't crossed the line, haven't crossed the line. Ha 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 ha. God, I couldn't even imagine being in a car with all that. Looks bloody awful. You can just see the looks on people's faces getting progressively more annoyed the further down the queue you get.